Try this $100 fried chicken ice cream. This is from Goldbelly, and this is their not fried chicken ice cream. So cute. It comes in a little container, and you guys, tell me that does not look just like fried chicken. Here's our first piece. Let's go right in. Oh my gosh, you guys. There's even like a bone that's actually a pretzel covered in chocolate. This is so good. The only thing is I should have left it out for a little bit. It's super cold. I just took it out of the freezer. I got this from Goldbelly because when I took them out, I will tag their account